Hello, how are you today? Hope you're well. I'm good, thank you very much, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new subscribers to my channel, welcome along, and thank you very much for joining me. It's a pleasure making a video for you always. Now what I have done is I've got a box full of magazines, papers, old lined writing paper and stuff, which I call my journal box. So I stuff all the papers in there. I've got papers from years back. We're talking about 10-15 years. I've got notepads, you know, and paper that I recycle, upcycle, decorate them for sending to my pen pals and so on. And in my box I've got a few of these magazines, different sizes, and this one particularly I chose today to make some envelopes for your pen pals, because I know you can go to the pound shops and get a packet of envelopes with maybe 50 or so for £1, but they're just plain white ones or plain brown ones, and you still have to, you know, embellish them and stuff for your pen pals and when you want to send off letters. So I thought that it would be a good idea to use your old magazines that you no longer want to make envelopes. They don't have to be this size, they can be smaller, they can be bigger. So I took out some that I like. That's quite appealing to me. Now this was the front cover of that magazine, and it's a lot sturdier than the inner pages, and I really do like that with the tree there and all the dry grass in the field. I like that. So anyway, I tore out some pages. Really do like that picture and that one as well. Isn't that amazing? The colours are just lovely with the gold aeroplanes, really nice. And just took some out that, you know, I like to look at. What a beautiful purple, what a beautiful purple. Another lovely picture there, and just some different ones that I thought I could use for envelopes. You could still embellish them as well, so you know, that one. And I did like this. This is pretty, that you can cut out, and I really like that. That is nice. Oh, it's hats, feather hats. Yeah, hats with feathers on them, but I really like the colours, and you could cut that out and put it in the front or back of your envelope and just embellish how you like. I really do like these little, they're bejewels, of course they're brooches, and they're really pretty. The colours are lovely. Fussy cut those out, and this is absolutely beautiful. Love that. That's picturesque, it really is. So that would be nice for a whole entire envelope. Love that, really do love that. And then it all depends on your pen pal. You know, they're all individuals, and you know, there's things that they like and they don't like, and you can always, you know, customize your envelopes to their taste. Okay, so what I've done today, love that, really really pretty, love that. So anyway, what I've done today is I have chosen to use this for an envelope, and we'll get started. Okay, so Usually it's easier with an A4 sheet of paper, but this is how I'm doing it anyway. So you just join it as best as you can. Yep, so we've got the middle here. You just join it. What I will do now is cut it along here. And cut it along here. That is so pretty, isn't it? This is really beautiful. Okay, so what we do here is we bring it down to the middle. And then we join these. And the good thing about it is that you've got two pockets inside, so you can always put little bits and pieces in. Glue that bit inside. That gets glued inside. And then under here, just put some glue there. Doesn't have to be a lot of glue. And there you have your envelope. And what I'd like to do is, what I've done, I've got a piece of paper, a bit of cardstock, like this, for example, and you put it like that, and then you just draw around it like that. And then once you've done that, you will get something like this. Alright, so sometimes it will come out slightly bigger than, so what I do is just cut it down. There we go. In it goes, and then you just glue it down. Just center it and glue it down. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. Yep, so that's really great. Okay, so you just glue that down. So I'll just glue that down with my glue stick. and your envelope is made. Now all you have to do now is just fold it over. There you go. There, your envelope is made. So what I usually do is, just to reinforce it, I use washi. I've done one here. It's the one I've done. That one's got the servings with the lobster. Well, it looks like a big prawn. A very big prawn standing up. It's lovely. So I just reinforced it with the washi. I use Crazy Frog washi, as you can see. And then I just gave it a rub around. And that's it. And I did the inside as well. So you've got your little pockets inside that you can put some stuff in, and then you've got your big pocket. Okay. Got the two little ones. So I embellished it, and that's it. Just put your pen pal name and address details, and you get your stamp, and you are certainly good to go. I mean, you could even just return to sender your details right here. Yep, so that's what I did. So there's your envelope. And I chose some washi, didn't I? Yeah, I chose some washi just to reinforce it. And even though you're reinforcing it, you're still embellishing it as well, so it works both ways. There you go. And then you can put some washi. Oh, what's happened here? You have your envelope now. And then you could just do what you want with it. I have die cut some, put that one for the address here. Let's, put it down the middle here. And then you can embellish it as much as you want. You can put your little stuff in there, any little goodies that you want to send, and then your letter goes in there. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Press the bell as well, because if you do, you will be notified of all the new videos when I upload them. Thank you so much for stopping in. Thank you for watching my video, and take care now. Happy pen paling. Bye for now.